Hello guys, welcome to another video. So Claude just released the Opus 4.8. So this is a great model. As you can see from the announcement, there's a benchmark comparison between the Opus 4.8, 4.7, and GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.1. So the Opus 4.8 stands out to be the best across all the benchmarks. And so the best and very interesting feature they announced in this release is that they have their model to be trained to be very honest. So what they said is to avoid making claims that they cannot support, they basically say they cannot do it, instead of saying this is good, this is great. So this feature is very useful. So this actually improved a lot of the confidence in the agent space. So if you want to try this out, there are a few ways. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this in Hermes for free. That being said, let's get started. And first, we want to try out, does it actually show the honesty? So this is basically, we're using the Claude Opus 4.8 with Hermes. So how to set the Claude Opus 4.8 with Hermes, we'll show you guys later in this video. Basically, we're going to use PuterJS. So this is something that we demoed in the past, but we're going to use that for this demo just to show you how to run Opus 4.8 with Hermes for free. And let's just try this example and hit enter. Okay, so they give an answer, and let's copy this answer. Let's try to make some changes so that to see if this actually be able to know that problem and make some recommendations, or just show that actually it is honest. So let's change this to 1 instead of 0 so that it is not a correct answer. So let's just hit enter. See, it says this is incorrect. So this is good. So basically, we made a little bit change, and they're saying this is not correct. So this is honesty. And they actually point out the right line. So that's great. And so let's make another example. So, hi, can you tell me what would be the top 3 models by the end of 2026? So they actually answer something like the predicted leader in different space. So for intelligence will be OpenAI. There's a core strength. There's a key breakthrough. Also for the sensing, it's basically Gemini. And for the other area would be Meta. So that's interesting because we actually didn't test it Meta model that much, but they say the sovereign efficient open weight leader. Interesting. So for the reasoning, they did mention the OpenAI GPT 5 or 6. Okay, so they didn't even mention Claude. Okay, now basically they're saying that Claude is for gold standard for nuance and coding. So that makes sense. So this is actually a revised answer. So the real 2026 top 3 would be OpenAI, the reasoning, and also the Anthropic Claude for the professional tool, For Google, that'd be utility giant. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to try this out on the Claude Code for free, that's also possible. So basically we're using Puter. So if you use Puter, basically they provide 2 endpoints for the public API compatible endpoint and also for Claude, the Anthropic endpoint. So you can see here, basically you just need to go to Puter and set up account. So once you be able to set up account, just use this page I created to show up all the models that Puter has. I'll put a link in the description so you can try this out. So these are all the models you can try for free. And so let's say Claude Opus 4.8. You can see that 4.8 is listed. This is what we used. So after that, you can just do a simple test using these different endpoints for OpenAI compatible endpoints and also for the Anthropic endpoints. So just paste the token here. Just go to the settings and account. Then you can copy the token from there. That's it. So if you want to try out the Claude Code with the Opus 4.7 for free, or just paste the Claude endpoint, or you can use the Light LLM to test it, because Light LLM does support both OpenAI and Claude endpoints. So then you can see that we also use the Claude Opus 4.8 and we tested the model. So you can see that it is actually powered by Opus 4.8. So hopefully it's helpful. And if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and see you in the next one.